Welcome to this Fixit video, and today we're going to show you how to recover a thumb drive or a hard drive that for some reason doesn't show up anymore in Windows, or if it does show up, it's not the correct size, or it gives you errors when you want to transfer files from it. How do you recover such a drive? Now, yes, there is the disk management in Windows where you can fix some of these sometimes, but the disk management has some very big limits where there's a lot of things that can prevent it from working well. So here we're going to do it in the command line. So how do we do this? Simply, if you're in Windows 7, go into your Start menu, go into the command, right-click, run it as administrator. In Windows 8, Windows 10, right-click on the Start button, go into Command Prompt Admin. Here you will issue a command to fix your drives. Now, very important word of caution. You will lose everything on that drive. Everything. This command will reset the drive completely, meaning nothing will be on it after you are finished with this command. So if you have very important stuff, maybe you should not issue this command. But if you do, you can probably recover using Recuva, which is a software for recovery of files on a hard drive or thumb drive. But for everybody else that just want to have a working hard drive or working thumb drive, here's what you do. You first type disk part. This part is the disk partition command in the command prompt for Windows. It's a very powerful command. It can do a lot of stuff on hard drives and thumb drives. The second command that you will actually issue is list disk, because you want to see which disk is the one you want to fix. Now, even if Windows doesn't see the drive, usually disk part will see the drive, even if it's invisible to Windows. And that's the cool thing about disk part. I want to fix disk 1 in my case because that's the thumb drive here, and that's the one I want to fix to make sure that it works well. So I will select disk 1 and press enter. As you see here, it says disk 1 is now the selected disk. Make sure you select the correct disk. Very important, because all the next commands that I'm going to actually have you do on your computer are all going to work with that disk you've selected. So you got to make sure it's the correct one, because you can erase everything and maybe lose some very, very important data. Once here, you will type clean and press enter. And here it's going to say disk part succeeded in cleaning the disk. This command, what it does is remove all the configuration information that the thumb drive or the hard drive had. All the partition information, everything is reset to 0, as if the drive just came out of the factory. Once that has been done, all you have to do is create partition primary. Once you do a create partition primary, create with an E, create partition primary. Press enter. It's going to say disk part succeeded in creating the specified partition. Now your drive should be visible in Windows when you plug it. If you go into the File Explorer, for example, here I see it at the bottom, but you see that it doesn't have, like the other drive, the space information. That's because it just needs a last thing, getting formatted. So on the File Explorer, right-click, click Format. If it's a hard drive, I recommend using NTFS. If it's a thumb drive, usually the thumb drives are in FAT32. You can also format it in NTFS if you want. Give it a name. So in this case, I'll name it Backup. Click Start. And then it's going to say OK, warning. Click OK. And here you go, format complete. I now have a working thumb drive, and you can see it because here at the bottom, you can see that now it has showing that there's nothing on the drive basically in the progression. So that's how you fix a hard drive or a thumb drive that could have failed for some reason because of its configuration that's got messed up. Of course, this does not fix everything, so it's possible that your hard drive has another problem. So don't be stupid and say, thumbs down, didn't work, because you're just an idiot when you do that. It does work on some types of problems. 60 to 70% of thumb drives and hard drives will be recovered using this command. If you don't, it doesn't work, that's because you have a different problem. And that's it. And of course, if your thumb drive or hard drive is not recognized, so when you click it, you put it in the USB and the computer says USB device not recognized, this will not work. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe to my channel. You'll be informed when new videos are online. Give us thumbs up if you like the videos. Hopefully they help you in fixing drives and just working with your computer. Thank you for watching.